While AI has the potential to automate many tasks and processes, it does not eliminate the need for human coders. Instead, it creates new opportunities for those who understand programming languages and can use them to create advanced technologies. Learning to code is still a valuable skill, even with the advancements in AI. While AI has made significant progress in automating certain tasks, it is not yet capable of replacing the creativity, problem-solving, and critical thinking skills of a human programmer. In fact, AI technologies are often developed and maintained by programmers, and the demand for skilled programmers continues to grow. Additionally, learning to code can help you develop a better understanding of how technology works and can open up new career opportunities. So, it is still a good idea to learn to code, even with the advancements in AI. There are many popular AI technologies that are being used today. Some of the most popular AI technologies include generative AI. This technology is used to generate new content, such as text, images, and music. Some popular applications of generative AI include ChatGPT, built by OpenAI using GPT-3 and GPT-4, and Bard, a chatbot created by Google using the Lambda model. Large Language Model Ops, LLMOPs. This technology encompasses the practices, techniques, and tools used for the operational management of large language models in production environments. Natural Language Processing, NLP. This technology is used to enable computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. It is used in many applications, such as speech recognition, language translation, and sentiment analysis. Computer vision. This technology is used to enable computers to interpret and understand visual information from the world, such as images and videos. Some popular applications of computer vision include image recognition, object detection, and facial recognition. Machine learning. This technology is used to enable computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. It is used in many applications, such as predictive analytics, recommendation systems, and fraud detection. These are just a few examples of the many popular AI technologies that are being used today. AI is a rapidly evolving field, and new technologies and applications are being developed all the time. Is coding going to be replaced by AI? That's the big question. The simplest, most straightforward answer is that no. AI will not replace software engineers for the foreseeable future. However, software engineers' roles are evolving, partly due to AI. Writing lines of code is becoming an increasingly smaller part of the job. You should not stop learning programming just because of the potential impact of AI on software jobs. While it is true that AI and automation have the potential to affect certain aspects of the job market, including software development, it does not mean that programming skills will become obsolete.